Welcome. Today we're going to be making bath steamers. It's a very simple recipe. Baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, witch hazel, and we're going to add some Vicks. First thing you do is you add your cornstarch, or whichever, it doesn't really matter, and then your dry to dry mix.
I feel like an idiot just standing here.
This is my beautiful wife. She did.
Hello, everyone.
She did her test, and we're having.
It was a major fail.
We're gonna post hers, and then we'll post this one, and we'll just see which one works. We're not going by looks. We're going by what works. So hers doesn't look like it's gonna work.
Am I stirring?
Mm-hmm. With your hands.
My hands?
Yeah, you don't gotta use that anymore. You can use that and waste time. Go slow, slow.
What consistency are we trying to get?
To where it's almost just barely a little moist, but when you squeeze it together, it holds together. It won't break apart. Like now, if you squeeze it together, it'll break apart.
And adding the Vicks Vapor Rub, what is it going to do? What are the benefits?
The benefits of the Vicks Vapor Rub is when you're in the shower, it's going to release the Vicks scent, which will help you not only the room smell better, but it would also help your nasal cavities.
And it'd be great for anyone that has colds or congestion.
Yep.
That steam and that Vicks.
Yeah. Instead of asking me the question, why don't you just answer it? Why didn't you just say it yourself?
I'll just add my little 2 cents.
Yeah, but
come on, I'm ready for some more.
Go, keep mixing.
Now, is this the only thing that we're adding is the Vicks Vapor Rub?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, could we add additional fragrance?
You can, but the Vicks Vapor Rub will
It'll do it.
overpower it. Now, it's a good thing to add Vicks Vapor Rub, eucalyptus, spearmint, or peppermint. Those mix very well. Menthol.
Okay, this is the consistency we have so far.
Still a little crumbly.
Now, how much are you adding for the witch hazel at a time?
1 teaspoon at a time, up to 4. 3 to 4 usually gets you to the consistency. All right, let's get the molds.
Is this it?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. We'll be back. What measuring cup is that?
It's rising.
Which measuring cup?
1/3. two different modes because this is a test, just to see which one holds together better and dries better.
So are we gonna refrigerate it?
Yeah, we'll refrigerate both of them.
That's how mine was.
Got too much water there.
My bad.
Y'all might not be seeing her behind camera no more. We might just keep her behind the camera.
You mean in front of the camera?
Yeah, you won't see her no more on this side of the camera. She won't even be an extra. You know, people that walk through in the movies. Okay.
Great.
And that's it. We'll be back with y'all just as soon as these harden up. About 20 minutes. And then we'll vacuum seal them. And we'll see how they work tomorrow.